Hey QVC Beauties, I'm Jessica with bareMinerals, and I am here to show you two of our latest clean beauty innovations. They happen to be here in perfect time for your spring and summer makeup looks. I'm all about a multitasking products, and these two products are hybrid formulas. So what that means is that you're gonna get the benefit of two products merged into one. First up is our Gen Nude Bronzer. Yes, you heard me right. This is a bronzer, a blush and a bronzer in one. It's genius. This product is so beautiful on the skin. It gives that effortless, warm radiance. It takes everything we love from a blush, so that beautiful rosy flush, and it merges it with that sun-kissed glow that we love out of a bronzer. I like to say this gives that perfect look your first day of vacation when you're not quite tan yet and you're not burnt, but you have this beautiful vacation vibe going on to your skin. That's what this product is going to do. The formula is so creamy and buildable on the skin. It feels weightless, but it looks so beautiful and natural. It comes in 3 shades, so I have them here on my hand to show you. At the bottom, we have Kiss of Pink. That's perfect for fair to light skin tones. In the middle is what I'm gonna show you, and that's Kiss of Copper. Great for medium to tan skin tones. And at the top, we have Kiss of Rose, which is perfect for our tan to deeper skin tones. Now, here's the deal. They were made to be flattering on all skin tones, so you can choose based on the color you like the most, or you can use that little guide that I just told you. So to apply this bronzer, we're gonna focus on the areas where the sun would naturally hit, and we're gonna use a W technique to make sure that we get it across our cheeks, the high points of the face, bridge of the nose, to get that gorgeous natural looking color. So I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna dip right in here. You don't need a lot, you can always build the color. Give it a little tap, and I'm gonna start right here on the outer bridge of the nose, and then I'm gonna sweep down towards my cheek and then up towards my temple. So down to the apple of the cheek and up. So that's the first part of the W, and you can see that beautiful color starting to build. So this is gonna get those high points of the face. I like to then go down the bridge of the nose, and then whatever is left on the brush, you connect to build that really pretty W. And you can see how this is just picking up the skin, bringing my skin to life, and giving that vacation glow effortlessly. The other place I like to take this is a little bit right along the hairline here. I think that just kind of brings it all together. So another question I get asked about the bronzer is, do you have to wear it with foundation or can you wear it without? And the answer is either or. However you want to get this effortless vacation vibe, feel free to do so with or without foundation. Next up is the new and oh so gorgeous Mineralist Lip Balm. So this is an innovative hybrid formula that's sheer and shiny like the best lip gloss, but also feels really nourishing like a lip balm. When we created this formula, we wanted to make it feel as good as it looks on the lips. So take a look at this hybrid jelly-like texture. Like I said, super shiny, feels super nourishing, but it's not sticky at all. I promise. Okay, so look at all these gorgeous colors. We have so many beautiful shades in a great variety. I'm gonna put a couple on today, but know that we have cream finishes. We have some that have more of a pearl finish to them, but the end result, no matter what shade you are wearing, is that gorgeous, sheer, glossy shine and that super nourishing, balmy feel. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my favorite one, the first one I took out of the box. Okay, here it is. This is called Trust. It has a little bit of a golden pearl to it, but it's just this beautiful kind of peachy. It just reminds me of spring and summer, and I usually go towards these pink peaches. Look at all that shine. Oh, it feels so good. And the scent is amazing. It's prickly pear and acai. This also has cold pressed fruit oils in it, which helps to give that really nourishing feel of the balm. It gives this beautiful dimension to the lip. It's so pretty and it feels amazing. And if you want to build the color, you can by putting on another layer. Next up for me is what I chose for my nude, and it is called Ingenuity. It's so pretty. This one's also a pearl finish. So for this one, you're gonna see it's more of just a classic nude on my lip. Now remember, these can go on a bare lip. You can put them over any lipstick or lip liner that you have. The world's your oyster when it comes to lip products, but just know that you want these amazing, creamy, cushiony formulas. All right, next up for me is a color called Zen. I love this. It's more of kind of a berryish tone. This is more a cream finish, so no pearl in this one. So you can see as the color goes on, it's not as deep as it looks in the tube. So that's what's great because it's that sheer shiny gloss. There's one other shade I wanted to tell you about, and that's called Clarity. So although it looks like a pink pearl, this is actually clear. So this is a customer request that we've been getting, is to do a clear gloss. And so we might as well do it in our latest and greatest gloss balm. So this goes on completely sheer clear. You can put it over other lipsticks. Like I said, you can put it on its own if you just want the benefits of this hybrid gloss balm and that really amazing cushiony feel on the lip. All right, my QVC beauties, so there you have it, our 2 new innovative hybrid formulas. Go ahead and simplify your beauty routine by using these multitaskers. They belong in your beauty bag, and I know that your skin and your lips will thank you. I'll see you guys next time.